Smart Book Crash Course for NEET CET JEE aspirants. As the exam pressure rises, so does the stress and confusion that comes with preparing for NEET CET or JEE. We understand how overwhelming it can be, especially as the exam date approaches. That's why we've developed an easy-to-use, highly effective Smart Book crash course designed to help you revise quickly and efficiently. This Smart Book condenses all your 11th and 12th PCMB, that is Physics, Chemistry, Math and Biology subjects into just 50 pages, making revision more focused and manageable. Sounds impossible, right? But with our Smart Book, it's entirely possible. What makes this book so special is that it's not just a regular textbook. It comes with 3 QR codes per chapter, each connected to our advanced cloud-based technology. These QR codes are designed to make your learning process smoother and faster. To get started, you'll need to download our Practice Buddy app, which will allow you to use the QR codes to access additional learning materials and tools. The first QR code is the content QR code. When you scan it, you'll unlock a wealth of resources for that chapter. This includes concept videos, problem-solving tricks, study shortcuts, and even a sheet book with key concepts. All of this is designed to help you grasp the chapter quickly and effectively, allowing for a rapid revision process. You'll get a complete understanding of the topic. Once you finish studying a chapter, you can move on to the next step, the exam QR code. Scanning this QR code will launch a practice exam for the chapter you've just studied. Each chapter comes with 3 different exams, each consisting of 15 questions that you will need to complete within 15 minutes. For every correct answer, you'll earn 4 marks, while each wrong answer will cost you -1 mark. These exams are based on high-quality question bank, which includes previous year questions, ensuring you are well prepared for the actual exam. This gives you an opportunity to immediately test what you've learned and assess how well you're doing. After completing the exam, you can then scan the result QR code to get an instant detailed result. The app will show you how many questions you attempted, how many were correct, incorrect, and how many marks you've gained or lost. It will also provide solutions to every question in the exam, giving you a chance to learn from any mistakes and improve your understanding. With the detailed feedback, you will know exactly where you need to focus your efforts. In total, the Smart Book covers 90 chapters from all 4 subjects, which means you all have access to 270 exams and over 4,000 practice questions. But that's not all. We also provide 5 subject-wise questions, each with 200 questions, which you can take once you have completed each subject. Additionally, there are 5 class-wise exams and 30 full-length exams, totaling over 20,000 practice questions across 350 exams. This comprehensive coverage ensures that you have enough material to prepare thoroughly and test your knowledge at every stage of your studies. Another useful feature of the Smart Book is the syllabus tracking QR code. This will help you track your progress, showing you how many chapters you finished and how well you performed in each one. It will also help you identify which topics you need to revisit or revise so you can stay on the top of your preparation. It's important to note that these are not ordinary QR codes, so they can't be scanned with just any app. You'll need to activate this book by scanning the activation QR code, which will link it to your mobile device. Once activated, the book can only be used by you on your mobile. It's a personalized experience, ensuring that only the buyer can access the content. This Smart Book is perfect for high-speed revision and last-minute preparation during the final months leading up to the exam. It's a tool designed to maximize your learning in minimal time, ensuring you're fully prepared when exam day arrives. And the best part, We are offering all this inclusive smart book at an extremely affordable price, making it an invaluable resource. But hurry, this offer is only valid until December 2024. If you are ready to take your exam preparation to next level, don't wait. Contact the number provided in the video description to book your smart book today and start preparing smarter, not harder.